Ayan guys, gagawa tayo ng lumpia. Because my husband is American and I want him to try Filipino food. So, I'm gonna make him lumpia. Sa atin, lumpiang Shanghai. Dito naman sa US, spring rolls. And then, I teach him the some Tagalog, but sometimes he's stubborn, so just funny. Sometimes he's making fun of my accent, like, for example, I said, "There, oh." when he asking me something, and then I pointed with my lips, and he just laughing, and he said, "Where's the there, oh?" And then he just told me, "Hi nako." It's just funny the way he said hi nako. Yan, may nagawa na akong lumpia. So, yung dinner namin is lumpia and rice, and then I'm gonna cook also pancit. So, we have lumpiang Shanghai for dinner and lumpia, then rice. And then I also made put cheese. Wait, my gosh. I do have put cheese. Oh my gosh, the lumpia wrapper over here in the US is a bit hard. But it still carry. So how are you all today?